Hey everybody, in today's video I want to talk to you all about how to play our scales in thirds. Now we're not going to do this the typical way. For example, that was a quick example in concert E flat major. I want to try this out using inverted pairs this time. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So as I play up the scale, I'm going to go 1, 3, going up a third, then connecting to the next note in the scale, which is 4, and then going down a third to 2, and continuing that pattern. As we go down the scale, we're going to start on 1, and then go down a third to 6, connect to 5, and then up a third to 7, and then keep that pattern going. Let me play this for you also in concert E flat major so you can hear what it sounds like. Have fun with that.